morning, good morning, good morning. Guess what today is? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Guess what today is? It's a new month. It's a new month. Can anyone tell me what month is it? What month is it? October. Great job. Let's start with our calendar. The month is October. Look, for the old, they got a pumpkin. Do y'all see that pumpkin?
Yes.
Who? If you have saw a pumpkin, raise your hand. Yes. Last year we went on a field trip to a pumpkin patch and we was able to pick pumpkins. You remember when you picked the pumpkin?
Yeah.
Kennedy, you remember when you picked the pumpkin? Then, you remember when you picked that pumpkin? Or you remember running behind Elmo?
I was thinking about it.
You would pick that pumpkin, Autumn? Jeremy, you remember going to pick that pumpkin? All right, October. We have 31 days in October. So, today is the first, number 1. Do y'all see number 1 on y'all calendar? If you see number 1, circle it.
I got it.
You got it, Kevin? Miss B gonna write it. Jeremy, you helping Miss B? 1. Put up one finger, Jeremy. You put up one finger? Good job. 1. Can you clap 1? Clap 1. So do we have to, no, he didn't stop it. Okay, I got a helper this morning. Thank you so much for helping me, Jeremy. The year is 2020. What is the year? Okay, if you see 2020, go ahead and circle it. You circle it? The number 1. Can anyone tell me what number 1 is? Is it an odd number or an even number? Good job, an odd number. Yes. I love how you just switched to the next page, Kevin. You know your calendar. I love how you're tracing it. Great job. That's because we're becoming big boys and girls. We know how to flip through our calendar and follow the slideshow. I am so proud of you, Kevin. Kiss your brain. Great job. Great job. Come on, let's go on and see what it says next. What is the weather? Can anybody tell me what's the weather? Is it raining?
No, it's sunny.
Oh, it's sunny. Let's circle sunny. Can we spell sunny?
Where's my page?
Switch your page. Switch your page. Can you switch your page, Kennedy? Oh, you did it. Great job, Ken. Great job. Sunny. Can we spell sunny? S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny. S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny. What season is it? What season is it?
Fall.
Oh, yes, it's fall. The leaves gonna fall down out the tree. The leaves gonna fall down out the tree. We gonna go and play peekaboo with the leaves. With the leaves, we could do art, and we could put our sight words under it, and cover them up with the leaves, and play hide and seek. Or we could do art. We could take the leaves and glue them on the paper and make a tree. Or we could do math and we could count the leaves to see how many leaves we have. Or we could do science. We could get the leaves and we could see the color and the texture, how big they are, if they could float or if they could sink. It's so much we could do with these leaves. Aren't y'all glad it's fall? Let's go to our next slide. What is the temperature? What is that temperature? Is it cold?
No.
Is it cool?
Yeah.
Yes, it is cool. C-O-O-L. Circle your cool.
Cool.
All right. What would you wear? Would we wear a shirt?
No.
You wouldn't wear a shirt? Would you wear a shirt?
No, I'm wearing sweater.
You wear a sweater, but before you put your sweater on, you have to put on a, what it says? A shirt. So let's circle shirt. Okay. We don't need a jacket. But Kevin said we're going to put on a what? A sweater. Are we going to wear shorts?
No.
Some of our classmates have some shorts on, so some people may have on shorts.
Yeah.
What about pants? Are we going to wear pants? You have on pants, Kevin? Pants. Circle your pants. Oh, great. Let's go to the next one.
It's right here.
Yesterday was what? What was yesterday? Hump, hump, Wednesday. Hump, hump, Wednesday. So our Wednesday is WEDNESDAY. Hump, 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 Wednesday. Today is what? What's today? What's today? Today is Thursday. Thursday, circle Thursday. Good job. Capital THURSDAY. Thursday. Let's see what tomorrow gonna be. Tomorrow's gonna be what? Good job. Friday. Circle your Friday. Capital FRIDAY. 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 What's next? Oh, how many days kindergarten's been in school? How many days have kindergarten's been in school? Do you see that page? How many days Kevin been in school? How many days Jeremy been in school? 31. 3, 1. 3, 1. Come on, Jeremy. 1, 2, 3. Come on, Jeremy. 1, 2, 3. Come on, jump. 1, 2, 3. And 1. Jump. And 1. Put your 1, Kevin. Great job. Can you trace your day for me? DAYS. DAYS. Okay, how many days have our first through fourth graders been to school? They've been in school 36 days. Yes. Kennedy, Autumn, Kyrie, Dan. 36 days. 36 days. Okay, and we already said that number 1 was an odd number, right? And look, it's their first day, so guess what? We only need 1. Circle your 1. 1. Y'all got that?
Yeah.
All right. Y'all at home, I hope all is well with y'all. I hope y'all having an awesome day. We'll see y'all later with some more videos. If you have your computers, please go look on Clever, and we need y'all to do y'all iReady, so we can see what did y'all remember and what y'all need to know, so we can be able to assist you better. It's almost the end of our first quarter. We're about to go into the second quarter. So for second quarter, we want to work on everything you need to know. We are so proud of everything y'all have done. Kiss y'all brains. Great job. Keep up the good work at home, and we'll talk to y'all very soon. Have an awesome, awesome Thursday. Bye-bye.